This is our Adobe Photoshop Mix Dreamscape project. The kids are able to search for images, 3 or more, and then we use this photo editing program to create dreamscapes and nightmarescapes.
So I'm trying to make like kind of a nightmarescape with kind of like a pretty background. So I'm gonna add like a blood moon and maybe like stars to make it kind of weird.
Just adding photos on top of each other, and then for one photo, if I ever want to like edit it, I just go to cut out and then add or subtract. Like, let's say I want to add this. I just like draw over it and then add it, and then I press this check mark, and then I can put it anywhere on this photo.
Something that can take them into the high school. They can use these digital skills at home or other projects, not just in the art world, or go on to take classes in the graphic design world at the digital lab.